how to create keyboard shortcuts for the quick actions. So open your system preferences, go to keyboard, shortcuts, services. Then if you scroll all the way down, these will be the services that you've added. So you can pick here to add a shortcut. And so I'll do Control Alt Command C for adding a new CSR template. And for the salesman, we'll do Control Alt Command S. And so that will save them so that anywhere you are, you can hit Control Alt Command C and it will generate the CSR template, or Control Alt Command S to generate the salesman template.